Hello everyone, welcome to Pedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question. Question is saying that Mr. Raja's family comprising of the 2 adults and 2 boys and 2 girls want to take a family photo, and Mr. and Mrs. Raja are seated and find the number of the different arrangement if the 4 siblings stand behind a row. And second is the girls want to stand side by side, and C, the boys don't want to stand side by side guys, right? So we have to find out the answer of the all 3 question guys. So this is the very important question for all of you guys, right? So question is saying that Mr. and Mrs. Raja are seated, right? Mr. and Mrs. Raja. So I am going to make the 2 places for Mr. and Mrs. Raja. So you can say that at first this place for the Mr. and Mrs. Raja, and there are 2 ways. You can say there are two way to arrangement guys. Why? Because the 2 person is available here. Because you can say that here 2 factorial we can say that. Why? The Mr. Raja can be seated here, right? Or Mr. Raja can be seated here. Similarly, Mrs. Raja can be seated here, and Mrs. Raja can be seated here. It depends upon their choice, right? So you can say that we can arrange the Mr. and Mrs. Raja by 2 factorial. And first question is the 4 siblings stand behind in a row guys, right? So 4 siblings, 2 girls and 2 boys, and there is no restriction, right? So we can definitely say that there are 4 siblings is present, and we can arrange into the 4 factorial. So that's why guys we can say that solution of A, the total number of ways equal to what we can write here, 2 factorial into 4 factorial guys, right? Okay, and 2 factorial is equal to, we can write here 2, and 4 factorial equal to, we can write here the what guys, 4 into 3 into 2. Okay, and after multiplying we will get the answer 2 into 4, 4 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. So 48 it will be the correct answer for the first question guys, right? Now I am going to find out the another question, right? Okay, so another question is saying that find the number of the different arrangement if the girls want to stand side by side, means both girls are together, right? So we can take how many cases guys? We can take the both girls are together, right? So this is the very simple. So both girls are together. So in this type of the cases, and how many siblings? So there are, so you can say that both girls are together and both boys is also together, right? It may be and it may not be, it depends on the, because we can also take the one boy as at first guys. So we can consider both girls are together and 2 boys is present here, and here is the 2 places for Mr. and Mrs. Raja, right? So you can say that arrangement of Mr. and Mrs. Raja is the 2 factorial guys. And now when the any 2 person is seated together, so we can say that when and any 2 person are seated together, so we can consider it is equal to the 1, and both 2 sibling we can consider 2. So total arrangement for all the including terms, so we can say that the total number of ways equal to, first of all you can say the arrangement of the all these siblings, so we can directly say that 3 factorial guys, right? And internal arrangement of the both the girl, so you can say the internal arrangement is the this girls can be seated here and this girl can be seated here. So directly we can say that internal arrangement between the girls will be the 2 guys, right? And so that's why we can say that total number of ways total number of ways for second question. Girls want to stand side by side, so we can definitely write it as 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 2, right? And after multiplying we will get the answer 2 into 3 into 2, and after multiplying we will get the answer 12. So 12 will be the correct answer for this question. And next question is the boys don't want to stand side by side, right? So this is the very simple, guys, right? Okay, so boys don't want to stand side by side. And how many sibling? How many sibling? You can say that there are 4 sibling, guys, right? And 2 places for how many person? 2 places for Mr. and Mrs. Raja. So you can say that the arrangement of the Mr. and Mrs. Raja is the 2 factorial. And guys, you can say that this is a very simple, guys. You can better understand, because question is saying the 2 boys are not stand side by side, right? According to the question, this is the very simple, guys. Question is saying boys don't want to stand side by side, means 2 boys are not together. So similarly you can say that when the 2 boys are not together, so you can take the 2 cases, guys. Why? Because there is the 4 sibling. So we can take first pattern, girls, boys, then after girls, then after boys. Okay, and now you can take the another pattern also, guys. What you can take? You can take here, you can take the another arrangement is what, guys? What you can say that the boys is present here, okay, and then after girls, then after boys, and then after girls, right? And you can take another arrangement. You can't take the any other arrangement, guys, right? You can also take the one arrangement also, guys. So you can take the another arrangement is like this, when 2 girls are present between the boys, right? So you can write here girls, girl, and boys, right? Okay, are you getting what I am saying, guys? Okay, if you are getting, so please write yes in the chat box, everyone. Okay, so you can take the 3 ways to the arrangement. 3 by 3 ways we can arrange the all the 4 sibling when the boys don't want to stand together. So that's why we can say that total number of ways equal to what we can write here? We can write here 2 factorial, and it will be the how many ways, guys? 1 ways, 2 ways, and 3 ways. So we can write here 2 factorial into 3, and it will be the 6, and 6 will be the correct answer for this question, guys. So thank you.